Hey guys, Ethan P here. Today I'm doing the second thing of my Brickarms opening, and today I'm doing the pack, and it is the Brickarms Zombie Defense Pack 2014. Yeah, so I'm just going to use the Bio Warfare Soldier that I used for last episode. So yeah, let's get this one open. I'll show you these then. Yeah. And then there's the packet. Yeah. So what you get with this pack is you get a custom printed zombie face with it's exclusive and it's with puffy ink. And oh god, I dropped something the wrong way on there. Oh yeah, sorry about that guys. So yeah, I get this and it's special because it's got, I don't know if you can see, but the puffy ink's like sticking out. That is really cool. That's cool. I'll be adding that to my collection of zombies. Yeah, so that's that. And what else you get is uh you get a Colt M1911. So I'll show you on this guy. Yeah, there you go. So as you can see there on his hand. Yeah, okay. So Colt M1911. You get a lever action rifle. By the way, that's a black Colt M1911. And you get I think this is a metallic, yeah, no, a gunmetal lever action revolver. You get a saber, a brown saber shotgun. Yeah. You get, I might not actually show it with the minifigure. I'll put that over there. And then you get a M16 with a shotgun attachment. You get a black machete. You get a brown baseball bat, which I actually really want, and I actually got it. You get a silver machete. You get a spy pistol. It's just a pistol with a silencer. Sorry, it's to an angle. You get a combat SMG or an MP5K. You get a black cricket bat. You get you get a 44 Magnum. You get a black ammo clip. You get a regular M16. You get a black sawn-off shotgun. You get a black long slide, which is just a pistol with a scope on it. You get a silver combat knife. You get a black SOCOM pistol with scope and suppressor. And then you get a black sniper rifle PSR. So yeah, that's really all that's in the Brickarms Zombie Defense Pack 2014. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I don't know, this might be a bit short. But yeah, and then there's going to be a third part next time. So I will see you guys next time. Have a good day.